everyone, welcome back to Homegrown Passion. Well, today's November 1st and we're still getting strawberries. Look at this guy, he's huge. So we're gonna go through here. I got my sister here and we're gonna pick a bunch of strawberries. These strawberries, like I said before in other videos, with the cold nights are the sweetest strawberries I've ever had. Got a lot here. They're gonna get ripe in the next couple weeks. Or next couple days, I should say. So this strawberry is a little misshapen. It's because all of these guys are pollinated by the wind. I don't have bees in here because bees don't like to come in the high tunnel. So once in a while you get a funky looking strawberry, but they still taste good. Oh, you see the yellow jacket? They put their heads in there. Really careful. So harvested, I think 1, 2, 3 rows. Still got a couple more to do. And this is what we've gotten. So I'll probably get another 10 pounds here November 1st. And I wanted to show you over here that if we don't get a deep freeze, look how many white ones we still have and flowers coming up. So if we can keep this going for another couple more weeks, I'll have a lot more strawberries coming. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I hope you liked today's video on our delicious strawberries here. Going to do a video in a couple weeks like I was talking about before. Once all these freeze, I'm going to try to cut them back and clean them up, dip them in hydrogen peroxide, get any pathogens off of them, and dry them off and pack them in the cooler and try to keep them for next year. Because talking to Nathan from Crop King, if I can get the crown bigger, I should get more production off the strawberry. So I'm going to see if I can keep these guys and see what happens. I'm not going to do all of them. It's going to be a little bit of an experiment to see what we can do. So hopefully it works and we can keep our production getting more and more every year. So like always, leave me any questions, comments, and suggestions down below, and we'll see you guys next video.